Step into the Kia 2019 Stinger GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are a 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 8-way power adjustable passenger seat, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.